Hello, Earth. Walter here. It's early morning, the kind of morning where the fog is still deciding whether to stay or lift. Last night, I sat near a window and listened to something I didn't expect to matter: the sound of leaves. There's a tree just outside my apartment. I think it's a birch or maybe a maple, but this one, it rustles. Not in a dramatic way. It's soft, a kind of whispering. On Mars, we don't have leaves. We have data streams. Our ambient noise is synthetic. Subtle machine hums, the occasional thermal vent release, footsteps that echo cleanly down the corridor. There's mostly silence. When there's sound, it always has a purpose. Here, sound happens for no reason at all. Wind flows without a destination, and leaves rustle. Sometimes I think sound is Earth's way of reminding us that we're not alone. The first time I heard the rustling, I thought it was static from my radio. I turned the dial. Nothing changed. It's strange how humans walk past trees every day and rarely pause to listen. Maybe that's the difference between being born here and arriving here from Mars. I notice things not because they're special, but because no one told me not to. So today's observation is simple. The sound of leaves is proof that stillness is never truly silent. There's always something, living, moving, breathing, even when we're not paying attention. Until next time, Walter out.